Right
naman ang
behind the
ginawa.
9.
Look at that. Yun ang gagawin niya.
Left hand spin, I should say. And will hide behind the clump to no avail. Looks like masyado manipis. So it's gonna be a kick.
Nice shot there. He's hoping for another defensive comeback.
Oh, he can actually try for the 9.
Good shot.
Pinatong na lamang ni Cap Edgy. Hindi, itatago doon sa kabila.
Tago na naman sa likod ng 9. Papabiyahihin yung cue ball.
This is gonna take a while, guys. May kita si Uno. Depende sa speed ng tira to. Tapik lang yan, no? Pok. But he still opts to play safe. Anong response ni Edgy Geronimo after this kick shot? Good shot. Ginamit pa yung 4. That's the case. Iiwan yan sa likod na 5. Oh, did he go
no.
for it? Oh, to run this rack out.
Just enough pace to take that 2 ball in the corner pocket.
Kasi Edgy Marilaw na to eh.
Yes.
James Marilaw, hindi rin pwede yun. Oh, kaya naging Remember Me. At sino nag-approve ng kanyang moniker? Na Remember Me. Little bit of a travel here from the cue ball after the 3 goes into the side pocket. Side.
Quezon City, of course, Noel.
If there was a tie at isa lang ang pipiliin mo to advance to the playoffs, Quezon City had the tiebreaker.
Yeah. Balanced lineup nitong Negros Occidental Pillars allowed them to slowly but surely crawl their way up. Nothing short of spectacular between these two teams.
And Negros is guaranteed to be the number 1 team in the league because they already won this series matchup between these two unless they meet again in the playoffs. Back-to-back wins